now rolling the Naki Subaru. Let's get this. There you go. So check engine light on. You can obviously hear the knock. We're almost there. We have 2 more exits to go. Already stalled out once. Had to push start getting on the freeway. Let's hope we make it. Hopefully these people in front of us, they don't slow us down anymore. Any slower than 60 and if this thing wants to die. 2 more exits. Makes me wonder how much further an engine like this can go. Can't be much. Fucking always goddamn people. Okay, runway. Go because I gotta keep the revs up. Let's see how this goes. Be back.